I'm Andrew Williamson, the Product Quality Manager at Reece. The B-Press system was launched into Australia back in 2010. At this time, press was only just starting to make its way onto plumbing sites. However, the B-Press journey started well before the 2010 launch. It was clear that press technology could provide a significant benefit for our customers. So we set about looking at options from around the world. Eventually our search led us to Conex Banninger, a leading fitting manufacturer in Europe. They'd been making copper fittings for 100 years at that point.
So we had to firstly understand the requirements, the range, the technical specifications. So this is where Reece were extremely helpful.
During the development phase, we quickly understood the importance of the tool and the jaw in making a reliable leak-free joint. That's when we began working closely with Rothenberger to develop a system where the jaws and fittings are matched to each other.
We were asked to develop press jaws and press chains for the B-press, which fit into our Romax pressing machines with extremely low tolerances.
We came together because we needed to understand the market. It literally was a case of sitting around the table, all three parties, and deciding what the course forward was. The partnership ensured that the products were at their best, and with us all working together, we made sure that everything was in sync. When you've got both the jaw manufacturer and the fitting manufacturer working together, you maximise the opportunity of having consistency.
This is so that plumbers can be confident they are using tools and jaws specifically developed for B-press, giving them the perfect joint every time.
The Reece testing lab played a pivotal role in testing and providing feedback to both Conex and Rothenberger. This included testing the composition of the copper, measuring tolerances and dimensions, as well as pressure testing to make sure we were comfortable with the performance of the system.
The Reece testing lab was invaluable really. There's a huge amount of experience there, a great understanding of the standards, what was required, but not just to be good enough, but to really provide the best possible products for the market.
The lab was not only involved in the R&D phase, but also plays an ongoing role to ensure that the quality of the B-press system is maintained.
The true benefit is that you've got three companies here with a long history of the plumbing business. You've got Conex making fittings, you've got Reece selling the fittings, and you've got Rothenberger, who have been in the plumbing game with so many different types of tools.
It was a natural fit to develop the jaws and press chains for B-press.
It's all about delivering a product which can give our customers confidence. The pipe and the fitting, at the end of the day, they need to act as one solution, and the only way that that can happen properly is if the tool is designed to perfectly match that fitting.